Father, thank you for today. God bless you, child of God, for making time to watch and to listen to this my video. I also appreciate every one of you that have responded to the call of giving and supporting to able to push the gospel and to able to do the work of God. Everyone that have sent me a seed to help to do this work, may my God bless you. You will not regret it. All right, so this afternoon, the word of God for you is that God is not the reason of your unfruitfulness. God is not the reason of your unfruitfulness. A lot of us are blaming God. We are blaming the pastors. We are blaming the church. In fact, our society is blaming the church. A lot of people have stopped going to church because they feel they have served God for a long time and they live a life of nothing to show. A lot of people have stopped giving because they feel they have given enough and nothing have worked for them. God is not the reason of your unfruitfulness. Ghana is now pointing hands on the church and is trying to say that the church is the reason of Ghana's problem. The church is not the reason of Ghana's problem. Pastors are not the reason of Ghana's problem. Ghana's problem is the reason of Ghanaians themselves. In the book of Deuteronomy chapter 7, the 14, God said he has blessed us. And he said, none shall be barren, none shall miscarry. So where is the miscarry coming from? Where is the barrenness coming from? It's coming as the result of our stubbornness. It's coming as the result of our negligence. Isaiah chapter 66 verse 8 and 9. He said, but as soon as Zion travail, we are running away from prayer. We are running away from righteousness. We are running away from holiness. And we think it can happen that way. It can happen. God said he is not the reason why you are not succeeding. He won't bring you to the place of delivery and say you will not deliver and shut your womb. Isaiah 66, the verse 8 and 9. God have expressed himself that the predicament you are going through is not the reason why. It is you. If we will pray, we have stopped the praying and it has become talking. Ghanaians are insulting, people are accusing and all that. It won't solve the problem of the unemployment. It won't solve the problem of accommodation. What will solve the problem is prayer, waiting on God and living a good life, a holy life. God is not the reason of our challenges. So, people of God, God said none of us will be barren. If we can abide under the feet of God, he will bless us no matter the government that is reigning. I speak your fruitfulness. No matter what have closed your womb, God says it's not the one who have locked your womb. If it is your character that have shut your womb, I command your womb open. The Lord bless you with all blessings of the earth that will make you a testimony. Walk under open heaven in this month of delivery and become a living testimony. Change your lifestyle and live